Welcome to this Resting Well meditation. We'll begin by composing the body, coming into our chosen posture, whether we're lying down or sitting up comfortably, depending on your intention in the practice. If you're going to be going to sleep or taking kind of a power nap or just recharging. And once you've found your posture, beginning some intentional deep breathing. We'll begin by going in through the nose and slowly out the mouth completely. Opening up through the torso, completely in, and then slowly through the mouth, letting all of the air out until the lungs are empty. And then when you come to the next inhale, we'll do one final breath all the way in and let the air out with a sigh. And at this point, letting go of controlling the breath, just moving toward letting the breath move naturally of its own accord. Trusting in the breath's ability to adjust itself. And we'll begin to align with our intention for the practice. Generally in meditation, there is an underlying intention for well-being. In this case, we're looking to the realm of rest, of restoration, maybe for better sleep, refreshment, rejuvenation. If you like, you can make your intention into a phrase, like, I'm rested and refreshed, or I allow my powers of healing to work in me. Just as we let go of control of the breath, in a way we can sort of open ourselves to whatever this intention is and align with the feeling that is arising. So once we are aligned with our intention, we're going to begin doing a detailed scan of the body. And we can think in a way that we're bringing this intention with us to the different parts of the body. There are different ways to focus our attention. I prefer to think that I'm illuminating that part of the body from within with my awareness or with my breath. But either way, as I speak the part of the body, bring your awareness fully to that part of the body in whatever way seems best for you, and bring your intention for well-being, rejuvenation, restoration with you. So beginning with the tip of the tongue and down through the tongue to the bottom of the mouth, and the roof of the mouth, the teeth and gums, feeling the entirety of the inside of the mouth, full of sensation, full of energy, full of the energy of life. And the jaw, nose, both cheeks, the temples, and the eyes. Filling the eyes with your awareness and feeling them relax, full of sensation. The forehead, the top of the head, the back of the head, and now feel the whole head and face full of the energy of life. Included in the energy of life is the letting go into rest and healing. It's both responsive and dynamic. It can be active, restorative, wakeful, or allowing to open to rejuvenating, restful energy, in part depending on your intention. So moving from the whole head and face to the throat, the right collarbone, right shoulder, down to the elbow, down to the wrist, the palm of the right hand, the back of the hand, the thumb, first finger, second finger, third finger, and the little finger. And now feeling the sensation of the whole right arm. And moving to the heart center and the right side of the chest, down to the right side of the abdomen, the pelvic region, the right thigh, knee, lower leg, top of the right foot, the big toe, the second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe, and the bottom of the right foot. Now, sensing the whole right side of the body, full of sensation, full of the energy of life. And bringing our attention to the heart center again. The breath coming and going naturally. Into the left collarbone, left shoulder, elbow, down to the wrist, the palm of the left hand, the back of the hand, the thumb, first finger, the second finger, the third finger, and the little finger. And sensing the whole left arm. And returning to the heart center, the left side of the chest, and moving down through the abdomen, the pelvic region, the left thigh, knee, lower leg, top of the foot, the left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe, and the bottom of the left foot. Opening our awareness to sense the whole left side of the body. And returning for a moment to the heart center and radiating from the heart center with your intention, sensing the whole body. The entire body full of sensation, full of the energy of life. Recalling your intention and feeling it manifest itself in every fiber of your body. Just all of your awareness filling the entirety of your body with great ease. And on the next exhalation, feel the whole body relaxed more deeply, sinking slightly more into the surface you're on, into the earth. Allowing the breath to continue to flow at its most natural pace, and with each breath the possibility becoming more relaxed. With each moment of each breath becoming more and more aligned with your intention, whether that's sleep, refreshment, restoration. With each breath, feeling the fullness of that intention in the whole body and mind.